my show right now, but leave a message. I'll get back to you as soon.
Okay, so this is room 841. Let's open it and let's see inside. That's the first look. Let's go inside and see. Okay, so it actually took me like less than 15 minutes to feel at home and get this whole messed up and get my stuff all over. Now this room, of course, is slightly bigger than a normal room because I got myself a junior suite. We have a fairly large bed over here. This is a king size bed, and then in continuation to that, there is a sofa where you can keep your stuff, maybe change your shoes, just relax, watch the TV. TV looks fairly large to me. It's like about a 60-inch screen out there. Then we have some cupboards. Let's check them out. What's inside? Okay, that's a mini fridge, pretty standard. It has some automatic system, like you can put your, you can take stuff from it and automatically gets built to your room. Let's see what we have here. Some glasses. There's an ice box. Okay, it's pretty standard for the 5-star. There's a coffee machine. There is some cups, some tea, some coffee for you. It's nice. And these are like some standard drawers, yes. Okay. I also got myself a mini fridge because I had some stuff which I did not want to get spoiled. So that was organized pretty fast. I had a long flight from Dallas. It was like 4 hours. And then by coming to the hotel, it took me like about 5.5 hours. So I took a nap. And I'm really, really glad that I took the drone shots first, because the light just went off, and as I told you, it's just 4:35 o'clock in the evening, and it's absolutely pitch dark outside. It's like kind of midnight. Anyways, so in continuation to this side of the bedroom, we have a living area over that side. So this is a decent size. This is kind of a small partition, and you have a study to yourself, which has a nice view, which I'm going to just show you from outside. And then you have a kind of sofa lying here. You have a big couch over this side, a table, some nice looking lamps, and let me show you the room size now. Okay, so it's like fairly big. It's like actually like an extended room. Like this section over here has been added to the normal room. I'll quickly show you the bathroom from inside. You can actually jump like from here straight to the tub, I guess. Yeah, that's a nice tub out there. Let's go and see it from inside now. Okay, before that, yes, we do have a closet here. You have some nice plush gowns, which I'm going to wear later. And then you do have a safe. That's nice. Okay, let's see the washroom now. The bathroom. The mega sized bathroom, yes. A nice mirror. We have a shower cubicle, pretty large. And the grand finale. That's the tub. And that is the view. I like the whole concept of this windows being here. Take a shower, take a dip, and then jump out. Relax in your bed, enjoy the view. Let's see the view from outside now. So we are on the 8th floor right now, so the view is nice, of course, but we are not again on a very, very high rise. Not a very high floor. So that is the view I'm getting right now. Since it's really dark, it's not really visible. But the only drawback is that there is kind of a terrace over here. There's a small terrace here which spoils the view of the whole river, but that's fine. Now that over there is the Boston Tea Party Museum, which is like about a minute walk from the hotel inside, and that's the extension of the Charles River coming towards there. So of course probably you'll get some nicer view in the morning, because right now it's really dark, you can't see anything. So again, lovely view, but it could have been better, because if it was, I mean, slightly up on maybe 20th floor or somewhere, then I would have jumped this terrace and the view which had been much nicer. Now, this was about the room. What we can do now is we can walk down to the hotel, see what the hotel has to offer. Of course, it has a swimming pool and a gymming area, which is pretty standard. I don't know if I'm going to cover it, because there's nothing much to add. I mean, you can actually see those photographs in the website itself. But yes, they have two amazing restaurants down there, which is, I think one is Roomba, which is a bar, and I believe it makes awesome cocktails. So that is right, I mean, adjoining the other restaurant, which is I believe a Chinese restaurant or maybe a sushi bar. So they both are downstairs on the lobby itself. Let's walk down now. Let's see how they look from outside, and then probably I'll take you out on the Boston Tea Party Museum side and see the view from there. Let's walk. That's the restaurant on the left side, and this is the bar. Nice and cozy. I don't know why the music had not started. Of course, it's just evening, so things are a little quieter. I'm sure it's going to get louder in the evening. And that is the Sushi Tech restaurant I'm talking about. So that also overlooks the river. Let's see the view from outside now, which we just saw from the window. Nice Christmas tree. That's a hotel. See some fire. And that's the river. So that's like a really nice view, and I'm sure in the morning it's going to look even more awesome.